Hey guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and in this video we're going to cover the top winter essentials you and your car need to survive anything that Mother Nature can throw at you. Let's start with tires. Tires are probably one of the most important things you can do to keep handling and performance at its peak. Really is the difference between you enjoying the drive or you white-knuckling that steering wheel in fear. Now these Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Pluses, these will allow you to enjoy performance all year round. Now if you really want to get serious about your car's grip, these are the Michelin X-Ice i3s. These are specifically designed to give you maximum handling regardless of the conditions. With Michelin's entire lineup, there's no reason you can't enjoy peak performance all year round. Keeping your car's paint clean and protected in the wintertime is no easy feat, but nothing beats a proper set of aftermarket mud flaps. Mud flaps will provide unparalleled protection to the body and paint of the vehicle. Not only that, but they will completely transform the look of your vehicle as well. Whether you're looking for something mild or something a bit more wild, with these being built specific for your car, starting below $50 and with an easy installation, when wintertime comes and rears its ugly head, there's zero reason why you shouldn't be driving in style. Moving on, we have an essential to keep your interior clean and protected. These are the Weathertech floor liners and mats. These are going to be built specifically for your car with an incredibly precise fit. Along with their raised edges, it's going to prevent anything, whether it be snow, mud, ice, or whatever else you can think of, from getting to the carpet. Now these mats are also incredibly easy to clean, they're easy to install, and with the way they look, even though they're a winter essential, they'll probably end up in your car all year long. And for you guys out there who dream about calling in sick on a powder day, well, we've got you covered too. Because when it comes to lugging around your winter gear, truly nothing beats a roof rack for the sheer convenience and security. Whether you have skis, snowboard, a bike, or you just need some extra room, we've got a roof rack system that'll work for you and will make getting to and from your destination that much easier and in style as well. With everything from carriers, cargo boxes, and mounts from Rhino-Rack as well as others, you can make sure your car is outfitted with the latest and greatest on the market that is specifically designed to keep your equipment safe and secure so you can focus on the destination as well as the drive. So what about keeping your car looking its best even when the weather gets ugly? To start off, rain guards. Now these are a super simple way to keep your car in style and also add a little bit of functionality as well. With the way rain guards are designed, even if you're cruising and you crack the window, you're not going to get any snow or water being introduced into the car. And as a bonus, even when you're parked, it helps keep snow from piling up on the window. Now with the rain guards being able to be installed easily in under an hour and costing under $100, these are definitely a winter essential for sure. So you just got yourself a set of snow tires, you throw them on your stock wheels, as we do, but there's just one problem. It is painful to see your car riding around with sunken wheels. And there's one solution. Wheel spacers. Now with sizing ranging from 5 all the way up to 30 millimeters, you can dial in the exact look you want for your winter setup. With multiple bolt patterns offered, no matter what you drive, we have you covered. So there is truly no excuse to have your car not looking at its best this winter. And with prices starting under 25 bucks for a pair, it's an easy choice. And now for something that's often overlooked come wintertime, tow hooks. Now tow hooks are going to provide an aggressive race style to your car, but they're also completely functional as well. These are going to be super easy to install, can be quickly removed if you need to, and come in a variety of materials and colors so you can create that unique style you're going for. Whether you're going for something that's completely functional or maybe you're trying to make a statement, when it comes to tow hooks, we've got you covered. And last up for winter style is Lamin-X. Now Lamin-X offers a wide range of colors and options for just about any piece on the entire car. So whether you're looking to darken your lenses, change the color completely, or just go with something clear to help protect the car, Lamin-X has a kit for you. And other than changing the style of the car, the Lamin-X covers will also help protect the lenses as well and help keep your headlights from developing that nasty haze. So make sure to keep your headlights fresh and get the style you want with the Lamin-X covers. Now let's talk about some winter maintenance. Generally not something you look forward to, but with these next products, you just might. Windshield wipers. You know, this is one of those things that's easily overlooked and often forgot about until you need it the most, and that's an incredibly bad situation to be in. So we're here to help you out with the Piaa windshield wipers. Now we carry the full Piaa lineup and stock sizes that are specific for your car. With Piaa using only the highest quality components, their performance and lifespan is second to none. Now I know wipers aren't exactly the sexiest thing to be talking about, but I'll be damned if the Piaa wipers aren't some of the sexiest ones that you can put on your car. With the white Piaa logo prominently popping out on the black blade, it's a subtle way to let people know you care about your car. Now we can't talk about maintenance without covering cleaning products. Now keeping your car clean in the winter is not only going to help protect it, but it's also going to make it really stand out in the sea of salt plastered cars. Now with all the cleaning supplies we offer from both Chemical Guys and Sonax, you can keep your interior and exterior glistening. We offer everything you're going to need to do a simple wipe down all the way to a deep clean, clay bar, polish, and wax. And if you're not sure exactly what to get, we do offer complete kits that are going to give you the best and most essential for your car. In fact, we don't do any of these video shoots without these supplies. And last, some preventative maintenance for your suspension. Honestly, it's really tough to keep your coilovers protected during the winter time. And unless you're washing your car off at least once a week, the salt and grime can eventually lead to corrosion or can just simply build up, making adjusting your coilovers a pain. Luckily, ISC sells these badass coilover sleeves. They easily install around the most vital part of your coilovers and will protect them year-round against all that stuff that would normally destroy your suspension. If you're wanting to keep your coilovers fresh or you're just sick of spraying them off every other day, these ISC coilover sleeves are exactly what you need. Now let's talk about being prepared. The next items we have will help you out in all of those odd situations the winter seems to throw at us. As my dad always used to say, son, always make sure to carry around jumper cables in your trunk. You never know when you're gonna need them. And while my dad was right, technology has given us something much better. These teeny tiny but powerful little jumper packs. We carry both Scosche and P.O.D battery jumper packs, and with them both using the latest battery technology, these little bad boys can jump start anything, even if your battery is completely dead. And after you jump your car, you can charge your phone with it, maybe even throw down some solo runs in FR Legends while you're waiting for your car to warm up. Anyway, it doesn't really matter which one you go with. The important thing is that one of these little guys should live in the glove box of every single car. And if you're the type of person who likes to be extra prepared, well, Subaru has created a kit just for you. This kit includes rain poncho, gloves, window reflector mount, jumper cables, LED headlamp, first aid supplies, basically anything you're gonna need in an emergency roadside situation, and it's all packaged in this nice compact little kit. Whether you're changing your tire in the rain or the snow, helping somebody else jump their car, or you just like the feeling of being prepared, the Subaru Roadside Emergency Kit should definitely live in your car. Keeping warm is critical for staying alive, but keeping warm while wearing proper car gear, well, that's just badass, which is why we carry an entire line of hoodies, jackets, gloves, beanies from a bunch of different manufacturers, and we even make some too. So when your oil stained t-shirt just isn't quite cutting it anymore, we've got what you need to keep you warm while wearing your love for your car on your sleeve, literally. Or maybe even just pick one up for your girlfriend so she'll stop stealing yours. Either way, check out all of our latest winter gear. And that's it, guys. If you want any more information or details about any of the items featured in this video, make sure to click the link for our entire winter collection. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.